Eric Linask here at ITEXPO in Miami. In the studio with me, George Palmer from Geotab. George, thanks for joining me. Great to have you here.
Thanks for having us here.
So, a lot of excitement, a lot of growth, a lot of attention being given to the fleet management space lately. And, we've certainly seen a lot of activity and conversation around it here at the show for the last couple of years. Why is it? It seems to have grown very, very rapidly. Why is that?
So what we've seen in the market space is that a lot of customers are doing things differently. They're getting away from the dots on the map tracking and now wanting to realize what more can they do with the information that they're receiving. So for a company like us that focuses on the data that's being captured from our devices, helps those customers expand on what they can do with the information they're receiving around their business. So those are some of the things that we're seeing where customers are really digging down more on what information they can get to help them run their business more efficiently.
Well, it does make an awful lot of sense if they've got access to the data rather than just sort of, like you say, looking at little dots on the map, which is nice to look at,
Exactly.
but it doesn't give you a whole lot of useful information. So
Exactly.
being able to extract a little more useful intelligence makes a lot of sense. So what are some of the things that you're seeing some of your customers doing?
So with Geotab, so one of the things that we do, we don't sell directly
Okay.
to the customers. We have resellers that position our product. We're actually global. So we have resellers in the USA, we also have resellers in Canada, and now we're actually focusing on going abroad. So we're in a lot of different countries. We're in Germany, Hong Kong is a few, Europe, Madrid. So we're really focusing and not just expanded in the US and North America space. We're also focusing on growing globally. We have about 400,000 connected devices now, and we're looking to go 500,000 within 2015. So the customers out there are seeing a benefit in using our product and really relying on our resellers to take them to that next level. One key thing that our resellers do is basically they also extract our data and then they customize it based on the customer that they're visiting. So again, being able to use that data and help build that business's vision from now till 2020 or beyond is some of the things that we're seeing that's happening in our space.
Are there specific use cases that come to mind that are particularly interesting or innovative that some of your end customers are doing with the data?
Yeah, one key thing that we capture and one key application that we have is called accident reconstruction. So basically, from a customer standpoint, they can actually go into our system, and if one of their employees or drivers is in an accident, they can actually go back, look at 90 seconds prior, 60 seconds after of data to see what led up to that actual accident. So it can actually let them know, one, was that person at fault? Was he driving? Was the car stationary? So it gives them a lot of detailed information so they can see what's going on within their culture.
Oh, that's very interesting, and certainly for better or for worse can help in legal matters involved in those situations.
Exactly.
Certainly insurance and those sorts of things. What are there other kinds of things that you think in the future you'll be able to provide that businesses can do with the data, or are there new kinds of information that you're going to help them be able to mine?
So our motto for this year is you can't manage what you don't measure. So basically being able to measure everything that your guys are doing so you can really have a full understanding of how you're running your business and how you can better run that business going forward. But for us, it's definitely expanding, building more APIs and SDKs so individuals can come in and build upon that, so we can not only have our device, but our end users can go to our solutions partners or even our resellers and really build upon the platform that we provided for them.
And all of that measurement, obviously, then is a function of new and different types of sensors being developed out there in the market.
Correct. We have a host of we talked about our resellers. We also
Yeah.
have a slew of solutions partners. So not only are we focused on resellers, but we also focused on partners that can help enhance our product. We have some partners that have created solutions integrated with ours where you can check tire sensor pressure. You can actually have cameras in cabs, so you can view what's going on, what's going outside. You can have sensors around vehicles, so you can see proximity, how close they are. So being able to build upon those solutions partners also to help build upon what we have is something that we're looking to expand on in the years to come.
Is there any opportunity to expand beyond the fleet management space?
There's always opportunity. So we're taking it one step at a time, one step at a time.
Excellent. Well, certainly sounds like it's been a great year last year, and like you have your sights set on even bigger targets this year.
Definitely hoping to have a huge, we have aggressive numbers that we're trying to hit, so we're looking to have a huge 2015.
Well, fantastic. We look forward to tracking your progress. George,
like that.
Thanks for being here on the program with us.
Thank you. Thanks so much for your time.